In this video, we're going to have a look at how to create a graph with all three lines on it. So one little pro tip for using Excel is, rather than have your tables on separate sheets, put them all on one sheet. Now the use of that is when you do uncertainty here and you type in your formula, you just need to drag it right down until you get to the bottom table. So you only need to do that once, and you can do that for the other spots where you have numbers being calculated, okay, rather than like over here where they're being entered. Okay, but let's get on with this graph. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to click on a time. You need X values. So click there. Make sure you haven't clicked anywhere else. Okay, for example, if I was clicking there and then started here, it might also select this cell down here. Just be careful that you have not got any other cell selected. Okay, so clicking there, scroll down. Now, if you're on a PC, press Control. If you're on a Mac, press Command. Okay, I'm on a Mac, so I'm pressing Command, and I'm going to select our average. I'm then releasing my Control or Command, scrolling down, and now I'm going to select these values. I did notice I didn't select the time here. I've already selected my X value, and then I'll select these values. Okay, then it's Insert, and we'll select that graph, and there we go. There's our graph there. Now, of course, you will need to tidy it up and add in your error bars, add in whichever equation you select, add in your labels here, labels there. You may wish to enlarge those scales and error bars, title. Basically put everything onto your newly created graph here. Yeah. So title needed, axes labels, and error bars as well. Okay, putting error bars on is the subject of another video, so make sure you check that out. Okay, that's it.